In this Cody Cloud lab, we're setting up a standardized Python environment for a machine learning project. We'll create an isolated virtual environment named ml-env, install the required machine learning libraries, and generate a requirements.txt file to record the exact package versions. Finally, we'll verify that the environment and all required libraries are working correctly. Let's get started. First, we navigate to the /root/code directory, where we'll create our Python virtual environment. We then use pwd to verify that we're working in the correct location. Next, we create a Python virtual environment named ml-env using the venv module. This gives us an isolated Python environment for our machine learning libraries. Now, we verify that the ml-env virtual environment was created successfully. We use ls-ld to check the directory and confirm that /root/code/ml-env exists. Now, we activate the ml-env virtual environment. To confirm that it's active, we check which Python executable is being used. It should point to the Python binary inside our ml-env directory. With the virtual environment activated, we install the 4 required machine learning libraries: NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and matplotlib. These packages will be available inside this isolated environment. Next, we verify that all 4 libraries were installed successfully by importing them with Python. If everything is correct, we should see the message, "All required libraries installed." Now we generate a requirements.txt file using pip freeze. This records the installed package versions, making it easier to recreate the same Python environment later. We then check the file to confirm that all 4 required packages are listed. Finally, we perform a complete verification. We confirm that both the ml-env virtual environment and the requirements.txt file exist. Then we activate the environment and import all 4 libraries one final time. If we see environment OK, the setup is complete. That completes this Coded Cloud lab. We created the ml-env virtual environment, installed all the required machine learning libraries, and generated the requirements.txt file. We also verified that the environment and packages are working correctly. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Code Cloud Lab explanations. See you in the next lab.